The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today is first Saturday of the January. Then let us start the year with Mary, the Immaculate Heart. And our gospel is coming from St. John chapter 1, verses 35 to 42. Two disciples of John the Baptist asked Jesus, "Where do you live?" And then Jesus said, "Come and see." When they came and when they saw, one of the disciples, Andrew, brought his brother Simon to Jesus. One of the questions probably that we have received in the past is this: what made you remain in the Catholic Church? Despite the many controversies, despite the many questions, despite the many things that are happening around the world that made the Catholic faith seemingly irrelevant. But if you were to ask that question, why do you remain? For me, as a priest, I remain because I came and I witnessed, I saw personally the wonders, the power, the graciousness of my Lord Jesus Christ. And because I came and I saw, I wanted to bring others to Him. So today, my dear sisters and brothers, this new year, 2025, as we celebrate Jubilee, now that you have seen and you have experienced firsthand God in your life, do not hesitate to bring others to Him. Let us be the bearers of hope, especially to our family. Let the hope that we have witnessed in Jesus be spread out throughout the world in our own little way by sharing the hope that we have in our hearts. It's one way of saying, I have witnessed and I came to see the hope in my life through Jesus. Now it's my turn to share it to others. Happy New Year again, and be the hope that you are. God bless.